Apple has practically confirmed that anyone waiting for a new Mac Mini this year is wasting their time. The most direct signal came during the company's earnings call, where CFO Kevin Parrick said Apple expects a difficult compare against last year's launches of the M4 MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, and iMac. If Apple had a 2025 Mac Mini ready, he wouldn't be warning investors about flat revenue. Instead of new Macs, Apple appears satisfied letting an already aging lineup sit untouched. The only machine updated this year was the base 14-inch MacBook Pro with the standard M5 chip. No M5 Pro, no M5 Max, no Mac Mini refresh, and no iMac refresh. Leaks now point to a 2026 launch for the M5 Mac Mini, and that's where the frustration grows. Mark Gurman reports Apple is working on M5, M5 Pro, M5 Max, and Ultra versions of the Mac Mini and Mac Studio, plus new external displays. AppleInsider adds exact identifiers like J873S and J873G for the Mini, and J775C and J775D for the Mac Studio. macOS 26.4 even references J833CT, likely a future iMac. All signs point to a long wait, probably summer 2026. And the question is, why? The base M5 is already shipping in the MacBook Pro and iPad Pro. A Mac Mini update could be as simple as swapping the chip, but Apple is choosing to hold everything back so it can release it all at once. Even when the M5 Mac Mini arrives, it probably won't be revolutionary. Yes, the chip brings a 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, faster neural engine, and improved AI and graphics performance. Yes, memory bandwidth jumps to 153 gigabytes per second, and the GPU handles ray tracing better. But for most users, it won't change much. The M4 Mini already performs extremely well, and Apple knows it. The M5 Mini is shaping up to be just another spec bump stretched into a 2-year delay. Worse, the only reason to wait is the possibility Apple might finally raise the embarrassingly low 256 gigabyte base storage to 512 gigabytes. When iPhones ship with 256 gigabytes by default, it's ridiculous that desktop Macs don't. The biggest disappointment is that Apple has slowed Mac development to a crawl. Instead of steady updates, customers are left waiting years for routine upgrades. And when the new Mini finally appears, pricing likely won't improve. Expect a familiar $599 starting point and a release around mid-2026. By then, the M4 Mini, already discounted to $499 or lower, will still offer nearly the same experience for much less. For anyone buying soon, it's hard not to feel like Apple is dragging its feet and expecting customers to wait simply because they have no other choice.